Stop scrolling right now, because if you miss the upcoming AI tools for 2026, you will be leaving money and time on the table compared to those who adopt them early. Today, I'm revealing 10 powerful AI tools that will completely reshape how we work, create, learn, and automate our daily tasks in the next year. Mastering even one of them can dramatically improve your efficiency and income by 30% or more, giving you a massive creative potential. But stick around, because I saved the most disruptive tool, the one that literally future-proofs your entire digital life, for number 10. Let's start with tool number 1, GitHub Copilot, the AI coding assistant that lets you build applications using simple natural language instructions. You describe what you want, and Copilot writes real, production-ready code instantly, even if you're not a developer. AI-powered development is already mainstream, and early adopters finish software projects weeks faster than everyone else. Tool number 2 is Syntho, a real-world synthetic data generator used by governments and enterprises to train AI safely. You can generate realistic training data without using real personal information at all. Synthetic data is already replacing real data sets across healthcare, finance, and AI research. Tool number 3 is OpenAI Vision, which allows AI to understand images, screenshots, documents, and videos instantly turn a photo of a messy whiteboard into a structured, editable document. It's like having an analyst who can see and understand your data. Tool number 4 is custom GPTs, also known as AI agents, which let you build personalized assistants for any task. You can create agents for research, scheduling, emails, customer support, or sales without coding. Tool number 5 is Adobe Podcast AI, a one-click studio that instantly enhances voice quality for podcasting and video. It removes background noise, enhances clarity, and makes bad microphones sound professional in seconds. Tool number 6 is Zapier AI Automation, which connects your apps and removes repetitive tasks from your workflow. From emails to reminders, scheduling to data entry, Zapier handles everything automatically. Tool number 7 is Run the AI. It's like generative storytelling and creating video from text prompts. Turn a single sentence into a full cinematic video in seconds. Stop wondering for hours. Just type your story and watch it create. Tool number 8 is ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis, which reads spreadsheets and explains the data instantly. Throw your ugliest CSV or PDF file into the chat and get an instant, beautiful report. With no more complex Python scripts, ChatGPT does the data science for you. Tool number 9 is Canva Brand Tech, which lets anyone create logos, brand colors, social media templates, and full brand identities instantly. Rating. You can launch a professional brand in minutes with zero design skills. Tool number 10 is Cloudflare. It's becoming a crucial shield for the internet while preparing for a future where quantum computers could break today's encryption. Cloudflare uses advanced quantum-resistant security to keep your information safe, ensuring that even powerful future computers cannot decrypt your private data. If you want deep tutorials, walkthroughs, and real demonstrations for any of these AI tools, comment the word yes below and I'll create those videos next. Subscribe now.